Hello everyone and welcome back to Now I See. Today we are going to explore AWS service EC2. Imagine launching your own cloud server from anywhere in the world within just a few minutes. No expensive hardware, no giant server rooms, no complicated setup. That's exactly what AWS EC2 make possible. Today, companies like Netflix, startups, and even developers use EC2 to run applications for millions of users worldwide. So, in this video, we will understand what EC2 is, why companies use it, and step by step how you can launch your own EC2 instance on AWS. What is EC2? So, first of all, what exactly is EC2? EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. In simple words, it is virtual computer running on internet. Instead of buying a physical machine, AWS lets you rent powerful servers whenever you need them. And the best part is, you can launch a server within a minute, scale anytime, and control everything remotely. Think of EC2 like renting a super powerful computer online without owning the hardware. Why do companies use EC2? Now you might be wondering, why do companies even use EC2 instead of normal computers? Because EC2 solves some major real-world problems. First is speed. Companies can deploy servers within a minute instead of waiting days for hardware setup. Second, scalability. If traffic suddenly increases, EC2 can instantly scale resources automatically. Third is cost. Business pay only for what they actually use. And finally, global access. Applications can run from AWS regions all around the world. That's why modern cloud applications depend heavily on EC2 today. What is AMI? AMI is Amazon Machine Image. Before launching an EC2 instance, AWS asks us to choose something called as AMI. It's basically a ready-made setup containing an operating system and software configuration. Think of it like this. Instead of building a computer from scratch every single time, AWS gives you a pre-configured templates. For example, Amazon Linux for beginners, Ubuntu for developers, Windows for Microsoft-based applications, and even customer AMIs created by users. AMI makes launching servers such a faster and easier way. Choosing instance type. Now after selecting an AMI, ask AWS us to choose an instance type. This basically decides the power of your virtual computer. Some instances are small and lightweight, while others are extremely powerful large applications. For beginners, AWS provides T2 Micro, which is also a free tier eligible. You can think of instance type like choosing small, medium or high performances computer depending on your workload. Launch EC2 step by step. Now comes the exciting part is launching the EC2 instance. First, open the AWS Console and search for EC2, then click on Launch Instance. After that, choose your AMI, select the instance type, creating a key pair, configure the security group, and finally click Launch. After just like that, AWS creates your cloud server within a minute. No physical setup, no waiting, everything happens directly from the cloud. Key pair and security group. Now let's understand two very important security concepts. First is key pair. This works like a secret digital key used to securely access your server. AWS gives you a private PAM file and you must keep it safe because without it, you may lose access to your instance. Next is security group. These acts like a virtual firewall controlling who can access your server. For example, Port 22 allows SSH login. Port 80 allows websites. Port 443 handles secure HTTPS traffic. So, security groups basically protect your cloud server from unwanted access. EC2 instance running successfully. And finally, your EC2 instance is now live. The status changes from pending to running, and AWS gives your server a public address. This means your cloud server is now accessible from anywhere in the world. And this is only the beginning of the cloud computing. Thank you for watching and follow now. I see 4 more simple and visual AWS tutorials.